Alright, so what we'll be doing today is eyebrows. Mine need to be arched, but I'm gonna just show you something quick and simple of how I do my eyebrows. So we want to make sure, they're laid. I'm using the e.l.f. liner and cream and Espresso. I just basically use this for my tail. Got it in the mirror. Some people, of course, can go ahead and just fill in with this, but I don't like to. I use my brow pencil by e.l.f. Once again, this is my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil in neutral brown. Next, I'm going to go ahead and conceal and voila them. Alright, so I'm using my Maybelline concealer. It's in 30 Cafe. I'll put everything in the description. Most people, of course, they just and then they do that, but I don't like to do that because I'm kind of like iffy about how mine are put on. So I just take and I dab the product on my concealer brush by e.l.f. Love me some e.l.f. And just clean this up. And do the same. When I do the bottom, I kind of overextend it because of the way my eyebrows are arched. Got that natural arch. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this eyebrow. So then on this part, I basically just marry the two right here in the middle. Now I'm just basically making sure they're about even because my eyebrows need to be waxed. Alright, see? They're kind of bigger than what I would usually do them a little bit. But like I said, my eyebrows. But see, there we go. It's a little bit better for me. Then what I'm gonna do is use my Maybelline Brow Drama. It's a brow mascara. Just like that. I usually run over it twice. Really don't do too much, kind of tense it a little bit more, and then just make sure that, you know, like regular mascara, you're kind of just defining it a little bit more, I guess. Then I have a beauty blender just for my eyebrows, and I'm gonna wet just a little bit, and then we're just gonna and there we have it. Eyebrows. See, quick, easy, don't take too long. And it, you know, it's not that much product that was used. But thank you for watching. I'll put everything that I use down in the description below.